Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Gmail account. Whether you've forgotten your password or can't remember your email address, this process will help you regain access to your account and get back to your emails quickly. First, open your web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once it's open, head over to Google and type Google Account Recovery into the search bar. This will bring up several results, but you want to click on the first official link, which should be titled How to Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. This is Google's official recovery page, so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on that page, scroll down until you see the Forgot Password section. Click on the link provided to start the recovery process. This takes you to the actual recovery tool where Google will guide you through getting back into your account. Now, if you've forgotten your Gmail address entirely, click on Forgot Email and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter your recovery phone number or email along with your full name. If you remember your Gmail address, simply type it into the box and click Next. The next screen will ask you to enter the last password you remember. If you can recall any previous password, type it in and click Next. If not, don't worry, just click Try Another Way, and Google will offer alternative verification methods. Google will now present you with different ways to verify your identity. You might receive a code on your recovery email or phone number. Choose the option you can access most easily, then click Send. This ensures that only you can recover the account. Check your recovery email inbox or your phone messages for the verification code. Once you receive it, enter the code in the box provided and click Next. This confirms your identity and allows you to proceed. You'll now reach the password reset page. Here, enter a new strong password. Make sure it's something secure but memorable. Re-enter the same password in the confirmation box to ensure there are no typos. Click Change Password to save your new password. Your account is now accessible again with this fresh password. After you've successfully reset your password and logged back in, it's a good idea to return to your Google account settings. Update your recovery phone number and email address to keep your account secure and make future recoveries easier if needed. Thanks for watching.